everybody, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to my channel, Simply Dji-ji. And today I'm gonna show you how to make what's called in my culture epis. And what epis is a base for cooking. So over here what we have is an onion, a bell pepper, we have some herbs. In this we have some sage, some rosemary. We also have some thyme. We've got garlic. We've got, I like it spicy, 2 habaneros, but you don't have to put the habaneros in. And we have some cilantro. And if you don't like cilantro, you can use like a regular flat leaf parsley. What we're gonna do is we're gonna blend these ingredients and, oh, I've got a little bit of salt as well. You're gonna blend these ingredients and you can use it in stews, you can use it to marinate meat, you can use it in fish, in rice. It literally can be used for almost anything and it gives a whole lot of flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Right, so I have everything rough chopped in here. You don't really have to finely chop it because the blender will do the work. I'm just gonna add a dash of salt. This helps to preserve it when you put it in the fridge. This can keep for about a few weeks to a month, depending on how often you cook. Now I've got a little bit of water and we're just gonna put it till it's about a quarter way in the blender. And we're gonna blend this. You don't want it to be too watery so it doesn't lose its flavor. But if you do need more water, you can always add a little bit. You can also make this with olive oil instead of water. And you basically can use anything you want in this. The main thing is that you want to use onions and garlic and then some sort of parsley. You can use any bell peppers you want. You can add green onions, which I typically add, but I couldn't find today at the store. You can add any herbs you want. Oregano, basil. Basil's really good in this as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend. That's the baby, she doesn't like blenders. So we're gonna just add a little bit more water because it needs some. And you may have to just use a spoon to push some of the ingredients down. At this point, like I said, you don't want it to be too watery, but I do think I need a little bit more water. So you just want to play it by ear with the water. It's fine to have too little than too much because you can always add some more. A little bit better. Type of consistency that you want with it. You want it to be thick like this. You want it to coat the spoon. You don't really want any rough chops in there, but you don't want it to be liquefied either. All right, so that's it, guys. This is what epis is, and like I said, you can use it as a base for any sort of stew, any meat you want to cook, fish, eggs, rice, soup, whatever you can think of to cook, you can do. All right, until next time.